Hello, I made some progress with the line shaft. I fixed the hangers on the beams, put them upside down. I fastened this with these big old leg bolts. And it's pretty near to the end of the shed. As you see, I think I have almost a finger left. Here you can see the rest of the line shaft. And if I give it a spin, you can see it runs pretty freely. I also fastened it on the other side. I fixed the beams together with bolts and used the same leg bolts as I have here on this side. First I want to put bolts through and through, like threads. But we're gonna see how it holds. Here on this beam there comes another bearing holder, and I hope to place the pulley for the motor above the bench. Bought a new light this week, old machine lamp. And so I also find some hangers from a shelf. So I put up another one for some extra space. And some more in the windows. I have a lot of projects going on, so if you like this, follow me on YouTube and you will see many more. I find a lot of interesting things these days. Try to make this a good, nice shed with a working line shaft. Here are the other bolts, big rings. And give a swing on the wheel. This is the branch from above. It's a mess right now, but as you can see I have more space to fill, but I'm also busy with the line shaft, so a lot of things to do. But that keeps me busy. This is my forge and some other old stuff I collected. Old electrics. These are rubber. It surprised me a bit, but I like them. This is my my small drill press. It's still working if I put this motor on. Clipper belt laser. These are the bolts I used. They came with the hangers, pretty big ones. So let me know what you like to see about the line shaft, about how I put it up and how I fix it. And if you have any tips that can help me, I'm all ears, because this is all new to me. It's just for hobby. So I hope you all like this, and subscribe to my channel and leave some comments. Bye bye.